I'm getting ready to cook some turkey butts and turkey necks here in my pressure cooker. You see I'm getting my gravy ready here. Got this from H-E-B. Probably pick these up H-E-B, Kroger's, wherever, any corner store. Water, mixing it up, and I'm gonna put some Lipton onion mix, soup mix in here also. I like this stuff right here. It's pretty good. Okay, these are the turkey butts. I got these at Fiesta. They're not smoked as well as I would like. I like mine a little darker. The turkey necks are smoked pretty good. But I noticed that the turkey butts had a lot of fat on them also. This is the blend I'm gonna use. You see it got onion, bell peppers, and red bell peppers, green ones. And just pour a little bit at the bottom. Put some onions, or more onions in there. I like onions. I'll start placing my turkey butts in there. And like I said before, if you look at them, probably see a lot of fat. I don't care too much about all that fat on there. But that was the brand, and that was the only place I could find them in Houston at the moment, was at Fiesta. Well, I didn't really look that at all. So I'm gonna put my turkey necks in here. And I'm gonna put the rest of the turkey butts. And I did call around on some meat markets. I couldn't find any at the meat markets, some smoked turkey butts. So we had to stick with Fiesta. So now I'm gonna put my gravy mix in. Add some more water. Now I like to get mine a little thicker, so I'm gonna get some flour and thicken it up. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, and I'm gonna stir it up, and then we'll put the top on and let it cook for about 45 minutes. But before I put that top on it, let me sprinkle a little bit of my Tony's and my garlic with parsley. And I also added a few other little seasonings inside this garlic with parsley. Okay, I'm gonna stir it up one more time, and then I'm gonna put the top on and pressure cook it here for, say, 45 minutes. Once I pressure cook it for 45 minutes, I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna put some of my other seasoning in there, the garlic, and I got some kind of oils that I put in there, and a little sugar, not too much. And I'm gonna stir this up, and I'm gonna pour this in on top, and I'm gonna let it cook for another 45 minutes. I know that's probably overcooking it, but I like my meat, especially my turkey necks and turkey butts and stuff, to just come right apart. Maybe just stick a fork in it and pull it apart. So now I'm going to put it on for another 45 minutes. Once I stir everything up, I'm gonna put the top on and let it cook for another 45 minutes. So that's an hour and a half of cooking. So once it's cooked for 45 minutes, let's fix a plate. As you can see, you can just barely touch it and it falls off the bone. I got to tell you, man, this was some good eating right here. Like I said, the turkey butt had a little bit more fat than I like, but it was okay. So subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.